Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll try to fix if Play Store app on your mobile is not working. See here, this is on the Nothing mobile actually. When I try to download some apps or games here, continuously this Google Play Store is getting crashed or getting stuck at the middle of the download, and I need to repeat the download. Means it is not completing to 100%. So how you can fix this? First of all, click on your Android phone settings, then click on the apps here, then click on see all apps. At top right you'll see three dots, tap on this and click on show system. First of all, there will be lot of dependency for the apps will work on web view. Okay, you need to search like web. Okay, Android system web view, tap on this and go to the cache and clear the cache. Okay, if possible, try to restart your mobile and check whether your problem is solved. And on the same apps, just search like Play Services. There will be app called Google Play Services. See this one, which is very important for the correct functioning of any app on your Android mobile. So click on storage and cache and clear this cache. Okay, that so a small refresh, and now restart your mobile. You'll get your problem fixed. And there are few more fixes you can try before going any further. So I did a video on how you can put this is the lock screen. Okay, video wallpaper, animating wallpaper or video custom, means I just recorded here and I put it as the video wallpaper on the lock screen. If you want that video, just check it in the description. Okay, for the third troubleshooting fix, press and hold on your Play Store app for few seconds, then click on this I symbol, then go to storage and cache, then click on the clear cache and restart your mobile. Now your problem will be fixed maximum. And one more thing, try to change between Wi-Fi and your mobile data and check whether the problem is solved or not, and try to fix the correct date and time. If the date and time doesn't match, means if there is wrong date and time on your mobile, in that cases also Play Store won't work. So by doing all these steps, the above mentioned all these steps, I guess your problem will be solved. So there is one more step you can do actually. You can force stop actually. You can click on this I symbol and use this force stop and restart your mobile, and you can check. And then you can click on this is the last option. Okay, and click on uninstall update. See here, this is the last option. If nothing is working for you, that may be due to the recent update issue. You can try uninstall the updates and try. If you like this video, please do hit a like. If you feel this is informative, please do share it to others, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.